Assalamu alaikum. So everyone, today our topic is how to fix and uh, add a listener on the button basically. So if we play this game, then we can see we have proper working here. For example, if I click here on that welcome panel, then we can see the follow objective panel appear. So you can see this is I am just moving right side, left side. So it just working correctly on my UI. Okay, so here you can see. So basically this is our topic purpose. Like for example, this we have a open button. If we click on the button, then the next you can say the function call, or you can say the next for example, this is a UI close. If I click here, you can see this is open and close animation appear. So this is our today topic. Let's discuss that. For example, this is our scene where we have you can see the start button and the cross button. All right, here you can see this is our start button, this is our cross button. So we have just simple, this is our canvas and this is the background, and we have a start button where we have a button component added, and here we have a cross button where we have another button component added. All right, so if I just start it, first let me show you the working you can say the UI. If I click on the start button, you can see there is a problem because I am unable to click on the UI, and it's not you can say the mouse is not clicking on the UI. So there can be two reasons. The first reason, it can be that there is no event system added on your scene. For example, in my case, the event system is just disabled. So if I just activate it and I just play again, if I click on the start button now, we can see there is a debug appear that the start button is working. Okay, the next thing that we have, if we click on the cross button, we can see the cross button click appear. Okay, so how we can do that? First we need to add let's say add a button. This button, it can be you can name it anything whatever you want. Let me name change. This is the click button. Let's make the size little bit bigger. Same for the text case. Alright, so now we have this button and we just trying to call it click. So if I just click on that button, let's play it. Right now we have no listener added here. Basically inside the button component, here you can see this is my button, and here we have a button component. We have you can say the callback, the OnClick function. If we press plus icon, then what will happen, there is an option appear where we need to attach a game object and we need to select a function. So what if we click on the plus icon and add a function? This is my manager. Basically the manager script is attached here, and I just click on the function, for example the close game. Let me show you how you can create a function for that. For example, I just create a public function. Here we can name it the click button function, and I just edit a debug here with name of click button. Okay, so we need to add two functions. First one is the public function with public access modifier. The second one is the private, so we name it private. Okay, so let's go to the Unity, and now if we see the click button component, here we can see we have already the onClick function added. We just select the manager game object. Inside we have script here, and we can see we have close game or click button function appear here, and the start game function appear here, and there is no click button private function here because we use the private access modifier. So sometime we not able to get the access of that function. The reason is that we just need to change the access modifier. Okay, so if we just play again and now click on the click button, we can see there is a debug of the click button appear. All right, so the another part that we have here, we have a cross button here. Inside the cross button you can see I not added any type of you can say the function on click function manually added inside the button component. What I did, I go to my script and attach the cross button. Here you can see this is the cross button, and inside my script in the start function I just add a line. What this line do, this line will add a listener of close game on the button. So what will happen, this is the same thing that we did manually. For example, let me show you now. So here you can see we have button component and we have a script attached, and inside the on click we just select a function and call. Here we did the same thing. So this is how you can just use your buttons or UI inside Unity game project, and it will work fine. In case you not have any proper working, you can use the debug log. It will help you to track your problem, and it will be easy for proper, you can say, analysis. All right, so that's our you can say the topic for today, and meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.